I'm very weak in English. That's why every day we join our class from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. I'm Prathamed Roni. I'm from Bagerhat. It is located in Khulna division. Now I am a student in English fantasy. I'm very weak in English. That's why I want to be a native speaker. That's why I came here and try to learn English. Before I came here, lots of institute I visited, but uh, I when I visited any place, I selected English fantasy would be good for me because their rules is when anyone came here and leave this place, every time talk English. Don't use Bangla language. If anyone use Bangla any word, his teachers fine 10 taka for per word. That's why when I live in this place, I feel that I am another countries. Always we talk each other, use English language. Every day we join our class from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Only break for our lunch and dinner, breakfast and our prayer. At first our class started, our mentor Mridul sir, always he teach us and always he try to give us his best for us. And next at 12 p.m. our Shodip sir come and he take a main session. Then next time our Midul sir always give practice this session lesson. And after 8 a.m. we again come our classroom and we do our homework. And also the instruction is very interesting rules. That is, every day every person need make video. If anyone mistake make video, they will give fine. It's very good. Overall I enjoy this place very much, and I like this. I hope I will be learn something from here.